A material that is atomically thin could help solve one of the major challenges facing the future of computing. Inside every computer chip are tiny copper wires that carry electrical signals. But as chips become smaller and more powerful, those wires become increasingly difficult to scale. Working alongside scientists from Applied Materials, our team at CDE, together with colleagues from NUS Chemistry, have developed an ultra-thin tungsten disulfide film that replaces two conventional layers with a single atomically thin material. What makes this especially exciting is that we can grow this material at wafer scale, using processes compatible with modern semiconductor manufacturing. Even an atomically thin layer can improve conductivity while helping protect future chip architectures. This could open the door to a new generation of smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient electronics.